When life gets overwhelming, eating right can be a struggle. So when we heard about a local company that creates delicious, fresh meals loaded with the good stuff and delivered right to you, we had to learn more. Lauren Schultz, owner of Malama Meals Oahu, joins us today to share healthy meals delivered, ready to heat, eat, enjoy, and repeat. Those are her words. I love that. Welcome, Lauren.
Thank you so much for having me.
And I am loving the meals. These look absolutely gorgeous. And before I dive in, I really want to find out what Malama Meals Oahu is all about. How did you get started?
So I'm a former educator. I was a teacher at Kapolei Middle School for about 7 years. And then I had my daughter, and my world changed. I wanted to put more focus into what we are eating, what we are putting into our bodies. And so I took a lot of our family recipes from my grandma, my mother, and I put just a little bit of a healthy spin on those to make them better for us.
I love that. You sound like a woman on a mission. And what is that mission?
I want to make it accessible to everybody.
Yeah.
You know, these days everybody understands that we need to eat better and pay more attention to what we're putting in our bodies, but time, convenience, cost, it's not feasible for everyone. So I want to do that for them.
I love that. So this is all about kind of like sharing the love, right?
Yeah.
Sharing the love with everybody. Absolutely. And you know, there are so many families out there that are suffering from health conditions. Diabetes is rampant in Hawaii, high blood pressure, hypertension, heart disease. But I noticed that your meals are very well put together, beautiful portion control. Tell us a little bit about what Malama Meals Oahu offers and about some of these gorgeous dishes.
Sure. My family actually comes with a lot of health ailments, so I'm familiar with those, and that's where I learned about portion control, about sodium content, where a lot of us, we don't realize how much sodium is in our food. I mean, it makes it taste good, it does, but there's other ways to make things taste good, you know. So all of our meals are portion controlled, so everything is weighed out. We focus on lean meats like our cod here. We only use fresh vegetables like our asparagus, choy sam, and complex carbs like our Okinawan potatoes. We use quinoa, brown rice, things like that. But we do still offer white rice because I know a lot of people still like their white rice. So that's what we focus on.
I love it. And I love that these dishes are so familiar to me. Chicken zucchini, I eat that. I've eaten that before. But beef stew, I've eaten that. And I also love that you folks kind of have some desserts as well. Tell us about those.
They can be dessert, a healthy dessert. They can be a breakfast. They can be a snack on the go. They're sweet, but there's no added sugar.
Oh, that's beautiful. But sister, you're a beautiful wahine. I'm a beautiful wahine too, but I'm a little bit tittle size. So do you folks have maybe like slightly bigger portions for people who want a little bit more?
We offer a lot of flexibility. So we offer 2 different sizes. We have our regular size that you can see here. All of our regular size meals are 500 calories or less, and then our large size meals are 500 calories or more, depending on whatever your needs are. All of our nutritional values are listed on your labels along with all the ingredients.
So you know exactly what you're eating and how much you're getting.
Exactly.
That is so, you know, it takes the guesswork out of these kinds of meals, especially if you are on a health plan with your doctors and you're working with medical specialists to help you do your portion control. Sister, I'm excited. I would love for Malama Meals Oahu to be in every home. How can that happen?
So you'll want to visit our website, malamamealsoahu.com. You'll want to place your order by Sunday, 7 a.m. We deliver to most of the island, and we also offer free pickup from our kitchen as well.
Beautiful. And kitchen is located?
In Iwalei.
Oh, yeah, right in the heart of Kalihi.
Very central.
Yeah, very central. Yeah. Easy to get to.
Yeah.
Malama Meals Oahu family, make sure you hit them up on the website.
malamamealsoahu.com.
Beautiful. Lauren, thank you so much. Are you okay if I dive into one of these?
Go for it.
Because
Enjoy.
it's the fish that I'm loving the greens, and I want to whack that beef stew as well.
That's one of our top sellers.
So I'm going to have some grinds, but you got to get your grinds on to Malama Meals Oahu with Island Life Live. Okay, where's my fork?
I have some.